आज आपके दो भाई नरेंद्र और नीतीश जी मिलकर आपकी सेवा, समृद्धि और आपके स्वाभिमान के लिए लगातार काम कर रहे हैं।
A historic day dawns for women in Bihar as Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches the Mukhyamantri Mahila Rojgar Yojana through video conferencing.
आज से मुख्यमंत्री महिला रोजगार योजना शुरू की जा रही है। इस योजना से अब तक, जैसा मुझे बताया गया, 75 लाख बहनें जुड़ चुकी हैं। अभी एक साथ इन सभी 75 लाख बहनों के बैंक अकाउंट में 10-10 हजार रुपए भेजे गए हैं।
In an unprecedented move, 10,000 rupees has been directly transferred to the bank accounts of 75 lakh women across the state, totaling a whopping 7,500 crore rupees. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar joins the virtual launch, highlighting the joint effort to empower women through self-employment and livelihood opportunities.
सभी माताओं बहनों का मैं हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूं। इस अवसर पर महिला रोजगार योजना के अंतर्गत 75 लाख से अधिक महिलाओं को 10,000 रुपये की सहायता राशि भेजने का शुभारंभ आज आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के कर कमलों के द्वारा किया जाना है। इस योजना का फायदा राज्य के सभी परिवारों की एक महिला को दिया जाना, जिनका रोजगार अच्छा चलेगा, उन्हें आगे 2 लाख रुपए तक की अतिरिक्त सहायता भी दी जाएगी।
The Mukhyamantri Mahila Rojgar Yojana is designed to foster economic independence and social empowerment among Bihar's women. Under this initiative, one woman from each family receives financial help to start a livelihood activity of her choice. From agriculture to tailoring, handicrafts, and animal husbandry, this scheme offers diverse opportunities. With Bihar's assembly polls approaching, this scheme serves as a strong step toward making women financially self-reliant, building on earlier successes like Jivika and self-help groups. An initial grant of 10,000 rupees is provided through direct benefit transfer to kickstart women's entrepreneurial ventures. Additionally, beneficiaries may receive further financial support of up to 2 lakh rupees in subsequent phases. Beyond funds, the scheme includes training through community resource persons and the development of Gramin Haat-Bazaars to help women sell their products across Bihar, ensuring sustained growth of their enterprises. Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Samrat Chaudhary hails this as a historic day for the daughters and sisters of Bihar. The scheme is expected to significantly strengthen women's financial empowerment and self-reliance, reach over 1 crore women statewide. By fostering sustainable livelihoods locally, it aims to reduce migration and pave the way for inclusive growth. PM Modi's initiative signals a promising, self-reliant future for Bihar's women, transforming them into empowered entrepreneurs and contributors to the state's prosperity.
आज वाकई बिहार की बहनों बेटियों के लिए कितना बड़ा, कितना महत्वपूर्ण ये कदम नीतीश जी की सरकार ने उठाया है। जब कोई बहन या बेटी रोजगार करती है, स्वरोजगार करती है, तो उसके सपनों को नए पंख लग जाते हैं। समाज में उसका सम्मान और बढ़ जाता है।
With the Mukhyamantri Mahila Rojgar Yojana, Bihar embarks on a new journey toward women's empowerment, economic independence, and social upliftment, marking a milestone in inclusive development.
Welcome to Money Control, your ultimate destination in the ever-evolving world of finance, business, markets, policy, and technology. India's preeminent news platform, driven by facts and fueled by data. A platform made in India, for India, and for the world. Moneycontrol.com has a staggering reach of 100 million plus monthly active users and 6.02 million daily active users. Being a transformative digital force, reshaping how we engage with money, markets, and news. Setting us apart is our commitment to delivering accurate information and empowering financial decision-making in a dynamic ecosystem. Seeking a deeper dive into the financial realm, we present Money Control Pro, a powerhouse of exclusive insights, providing actionable investment ideas and expert analysis. Because in today's fast-paced world, informed decisions demand both information and expertise. And we have 1 million plus Money Control Pro total paid subscribers and 100% return in 1.5 years, beating the market. Explore market trends, access expert opinions, and utilize essential financial tools all at your fingertips. Join the millions who trust moneycontrol.com for their financial journey, where facts meet finance and data drives decisions. Think markets, think Money Control.